Well, the economy is crashing, inflation's going up, and there's shortages coming, and possibly war. Not that war is going to be too crazy here, but depending on where you live, who knows? Um, so some of the things I would suggest getting are, you're going to want food, you're going to want to make sure that you're going to have clean water, and then you're going to want to make sure that you'll be able to uh, have supplies to start a fire or something like that. And you're definitely going to want to have some form of shelter if you don't already. Being in your house, you should be totally fine with that already. There's probably not going to be much need to be on the move. Um, and so basically, you're just going to want some water filters. I use these ones because they're one of the best right now. It's always good to have if you don't already. Bottled water works too. And I'm not affiliated with any of the links on Amazon. I'm not getting paid for any of the stuff that I show you. I just think that it's a good idea to show you. So just go when you're on there. I'll send some links, but you might want to go through the website and look for the best prices. The items I got seems to be the best prices at the time. And so you're going to want food. Here's a 30-day food supply, which is fantastic. I got 2 of those. The other one lasts, and depends how you stretch them too. They could last about 45 days. So you get 2 of these. It'd be about 90 days. And what else I got was water. And just to make sure, they sell these things too. These are little water kits. This is a filter, and you can hold the water in here. And you can get thousands and thousands of gallons out of these things. So that's pretty awesome. This one's called Squeeze Water Filtration System. And that's going to be good to have. And you're going to want to make sure that you have, some vitamins, because you want vitamin C. Without vitamin C, you're going to get sick and you're going to start falling apart and get scurvy. That's where the name scurvy comes from, and the name limeys. The sailors from Europe, namely the British sailors, would go around the world in their ships, and they wouldn't have vitamin C. People didn't realize you needed vitamins back then. They didn't even know what they were. So a long time on the sea of eating breads and meats and stuff that didn't really contain vitamin C, people would start getting sick, and they'd get nauseous. They'd start losing teeth. Their eyes, their vision would go. They'd get skin disorders. Basically, vitamin C is the most valuable vitamin you can have, one of the most valuable nutrients, and without it, everything else starts to fall apart. So you're going to want to get vitamin C tablets. You're going to want to make sure you get at least, what I got was 2 of those buckets. So that's, almost 2 months of food, a little bit more if you stretch it really, because they last about 45 days. So you can get about 90 days out of that if you really have to. And then you might want to get some extra emergency food tablets. They're really small, so you can fit them in the backpack and they're fine. Some of the things I would put in the backpack, one of the things, in case you have to go on the move, are these things right here. This is a Commando Saw, and what you can do is that you can pull this apart and you can actually saw parts of a tree down and get your firewood. And then you're going to want to get some Strike Anywhere matches, or anything that is even waterproof ones would work better. You might want to do some research on that. Keep them stored in case you have to use them, and you should be pretty much fine. I just want to keep this kind of short. I'll put the items that I just bought down below, and that's pretty much it. You might want to be prepared for just in case things are coming, because I remember when COVID-19 happened, I was prepared. I had food. I had, a month and a half of food. I had water, and everyone was in the store fighting over each other for food, groceries, toilet paper, and I was just sitting at home laughing at it all. I didn't have to leave the house at all, and people were calling me crazy for doing that beforehand, but look at the situation now. I was the last one laughing. So that's just a couple pointers, quick little video, and have a good day. Take care.